Welcome to Techno Trend Zone. We have some exciting news brewing in the world of compact filmmaking. Rumors are swirling across the internet about the highly anticipated DJI Osmo Pocket 4. And if the leaks and speculations are anything to go by, this tiny powerhouse is set to redefine portable videography. From 8K video recording to an advanced AI-powered gimbal system, and even integrated 5G connectivity for lightning-fast file transfers and seamless live streaming, the Osmo Pocket 4 appears to be a major leap forward. We've scoured every available source to bring you the latest information. Leaked renders, insider whispers, and potential spec details, so you can get a complete picture of what DJI might be bringing to the table. Are you ready to capture cinematic masterpieces on the go? Then stick around as we take a deep dive into everything we know so far about the DJI Osmo Pocket 4. Design and build quality. The DJI Osmo Pocket 4 is rumored to introduce a sleeker, more ergonomic design, making it even easier to handle compared to its predecessor, the Osmo Pocket 3. Early leaks suggest that DJI has focused on improving grip materials, allowing for better stability and comfort during extended use. Lighter and more compact. Despite its advanced capabilities, the Pocket 4 is expected to be slightly lighter, maintaining its ultra-portable form factor while enhancing durability. Upgraded gimbal system. The 3-axis stabilization system is said to be even more refined, providing ultra-smooth footage even during intense movement. Perfect for action shots, vlogging, and professional-level cinematography. New joystick layout. The control system has reportedly been redesigned for easier one-handed operation, making it more intuitive for creators who need quick adjustments while filming. Water and dust resistance. While the Pocket 3 was already durable, rumors suggest that the Pocket 4 could feature an IPX rating for better resistance against dust and splashes, making it more reliable in challenging environments. These refinements could make the Osmo Pocket 4 the best-designed pocket-sized camera DJI has ever released. Camera performance. The heart of any camera lies in its sensor and image processing power, and the Osmo Pocket 4 appears to be taking a significant step forward in this department. Larger 1-inch sensor. Compared to the 1/1.7-inch sensor found in the Osmo Pocket 3, the new model is rumored to feature a full 1-inch sensor, significantly improving low-light performance, dynamic range, and overall image quality. 8K video recording. One of the biggest rumors surrounding the Pocket 4 is its ability to shoot 8K video, a huge upgrade over the 4K 120fps recording on the Pocket 3. If true, this would put the Osmo Pocket 4 in direct competition with high-end mirrorless cameras in terms of resolution. 10-bit D-Log M color profile. Advanced color grading capabilities are expected, offering greater flexibility in post-production for professional videographers. Improved HDR and night mode. Enhanced HDR processing and a dedicated night mode could make shooting in tricky lighting conditions much easier, ensuring crystal-clear footage regardless of the time of day. Super slow motion. With 4K 120fps already a staple, some sources suggest that 1080p at 480fps or higher could be introduced, making super slow motion shots possible. For content creators, vloggers, and filmmakers, these camera upgrades could make the Osmo Pocket 4 one of the most powerful compact cameras on the market. Battery life and charging. One of the common concerns with high-performance cameras is battery life, and DJI seems to be addressing this head-on with the Pocket 4. Increased battery life. Reports indicate that the Pocket 4 will offer up to 160 minutes of continuous recording, compared to the 140-minute runtime of the Pocket 3. Faster charging. With a USB-C 3.2 port, charging times are expected to be significantly reduced, ensuring creators spend more time shooting and less time waiting for their device to charge. Removable battery option. While not confirmed, some leaks suggest that DJI might introduce a removable battery system, similar to their drone lineup, allowing users to swap batteries for extended filming sessions. These improvements would be a major win for on-the-go creators who need a reliable, long-lasting camera for extended shoots. Intelligent features and AI-enhanced tracking. DJI has always been at the forefront of AI-driven stabilization and subject tracking, and the Osmo Pocket 4 is expected to push the boundaries even further. Active Track 6.0. This new version of DJI's AI-powered tracking system is rumored to be faster and more accurate than the 5.0 version found in the Pocket 3. It's designed to lock onto subjects even in crowded or fast-moving environments. AI-based editing tools. New built-in AI-assisted editing features could allow users to quickly create professional-grade videos without needing a computer. Gesture control and voice commands. DJI might introduce new ways to control the camera, such as gesture-based triggers and voice commands, making it more intuitive than ever. Real-time background blur and filters. AI-driven background effects could allow for professional bokeh effects and real-time filters, enhancing the overall video quality without post-production. These intelligent features make the Osmo Pocket 4 an ideal choice for solo creators, allowing them to produce high-quality content effortlessly. Connectivity and storage. In today's fast-paced content creation world, quick file transfers and seamless connectivity are crucial. Integrated 5G connectivity. If the rumors hold true, the Osmo Pocket 4 could be one of the first compact cameras to feature built-in 5G, enabling real-time live streaming and instant cloud uploads. Expanded internal storage options. While the Pocket 3 required microSD cards, some reports suggest that the Pocket 4 might feature built-in storage options alongside expandable microSD capabilities. Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.3. Faster wireless file transfers and low-latency remote control via smartphone apps could make using the Pocket 4 even more seamless. These upgrades would make the Pocket 4 a game-changer for vloggers, live streamers, and travel filmmakers who need instant access to their footage. Price and value for money. With all these cutting-edge upgrades, it's expected that the Osmo Pocket 4 will come at a slightly higher price than its predecessor. While exact pricing remains unknown, estimates place it in the $499 to $699 range, depending on storage configurations and bundled accessories. Final thoughts. The DJI Osmo Pocket 4 is shaping up to be a game-changer in the world of portable filmmaking. With its improved camera performance, advanced stabilization, intelligent AI features, and seamless connectivity, this pocket-sized marvel promises to revolutionize mobile content creation once again. We'll be keeping a close eye on official announcements from DJI, so be sure to stay tuned for updates. What do you think about these rumored features? Are you excited about the Osmo Pocket 4? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Techno Trend Zone for more tech news and in-depth reviews. Thanks for watching.